What gets you out of bed in the morning? For me, it's a warm cup of coffee with my husband. Okay, that's a pretty basic answer. Let me try and rephrase the question. What drives me out of bed every morning? That's simple. Hair and makeup. But this is much more than just my job. This is my art. This is my creative outlet. Not to be too cheesy or anything, but I do feel like I was destined to be a hair and makeup artist. They say that if you do what you love, you'll never work another day in your life. I like that quote, but I also believe that you have to work hard to get the most out of what you love. My journey as a hair and makeup artist has had many different chapters, and my book is not even half written. I'm continually learning and adding to my craft. And from this, idreaminhair was born. I'm committed to growing as an artist and want to share this journey with you. So let's grow together, love what we do, drink coffee with the ones we love, and wake up every morning fueled by our passion. My name's Jasmine Sara Thomas, and this is idreaminhair.